Hi, it's Sean from Bridge City Chrysler, Service Manager here. I'd like to show you one of our new features. It's the online schedule to make your day easier to book a service appointment with us. Navigate over to the Parts and Service tab, click on the tab, and on the top left you'll see a schedule appointment. Click on that, enter your phone number in the system. There we go, here's our test one that came up. So the vehicles that are associated with your account will pull up automatically for you. Select the vehicle you're going to book in for service, and it's going to ask you to verify your email address. Enter that in, and it verified it. And this particular vehicle, it says there's two updates available for recalls. So we're going to put in our current odometer reading. So let's just put 5,000. We're going to continue. There's our two recalls that are already there. We're going to hit next, and you're going to book it in for your concern, whether it's an oil change or you're having an issue. Say we have an AC heating concern. Let's add that to the system. If you want to give us a story, which will help us diagnose it, we'll put our comment in here, not cooling down. Hit next. Now it knows the maintenance based on the information I put in here. So if you want to see what your current maintenance schedule is like, here's 16,000 kilometers. We can click this tab right there and it'll pull up the PDF file so we can see what's required at 16,000 kilometers maintenance. So once you've seen that, okay, that's what there. We're going to close this back off again, and we're going to hit next. And of course you can add as many things you'd like. The next of our quick services here were express oil change and alignment, our AC recharge. You can pick from any of the items here as well. Move to the next one. And we're going to pick a date when you want to bring it in. If you know the exact date, you can pick across the top here, morning, afternoon, or evening, or you can just pick the calendar view as well. Say we want to book it for the August the 19th. I want to book it at 8 o'clock. I've selected that. Who am I going to pick? Do I know any of these people? I'll pick my advisor that I know. Yeah, I know this guy here. Tells me the time slots are all good. I'm going to hit next. So it pulls up Wednesday, August the 19th, the service advisor, the recalls, the concern that I had here, and our factory schedule maintenance is all right there, and it's all priced for you. If that looks good, confirm the appointment, and we're all set, and we'll see you at the appointment date. So there's a brief overview of our service appointment system. If you have any issues trying to book online, please give us a shout. We'll help you with the process. Or if you're in here for service, we can show you how to do it for your next visit. Thanks very much, and have a great day.